Hello everyone, I would like to present today how to schedule layers data for any compound type in Revit, like walls, like floors, like ceilings, like roofs, using Layer Sync plugin. This tutorial will focus only on scheduling part. We have more detailed tutorial on tagging, where we also mention how the plugin is working, how you customize the data template, how to add custom parameters, and so on and so on. You will find the link in the description. There are also written blog posts if you prefer to read rather than watch a tutorial. And as I mentioned, here we focus only on scheduling part. So in order to follow the guide, you need, of course, access to the Revit and also access to Layer Sync plugin. You will find also a link to the free trial in the description. Okay, so let's first of all customize what we want to see in our layers. So I will add really simple template. So we want to see the values for the name parameter, for the description parameter, and also thickness of our layers. Yes, so let's do this like that. Let's change units to millimeters, 0 decimal places. Great. Okay, so let's save the template. Let's save also the units. Now when we access our layers, we see that everything is as we would like it to be. Yes. Okay, we already have our parameter added by the plugin, so we can immediately jump to creating the schedule. Okay, we create a multi-category schedule. Let's name it layers schedule, like this. Okay, and for the fields, let's add category. Let's add type, so we see the types names. Let's add our TBB layers parameter to see the values for our layers. And let's also add count to see how many objects of this particular type we have. Okay, so let's hit OK to have the initial schedule. Okay, let's now customize some additional parts. Yes, so for filtering, we'll change this to filter by TBB layers parameter has a value, so this will filter out all on non-compound types because the TBB layers parameter is only added to walls, floors, roofs, and ceilings. So this way we are ensuring that only those categories are visible. Let me hit OK so you can see that there is a filtering occurring. For sorting grouping, let's add by category. Let's add the category to the header. Let's make a blank line so we see our categories separated, and then by type, and let's turn off the itemize every instance. Okay, as you can see, it starts to look pretty okay. We see our parameters, yes, and just for make it more clean, let's hide the category from the left, so let's have it only category as a header. Okay, and now to have like a better preview, let's grab and put our schedule on the sheet. Okay, and as you can see, as fast as it was, we already see our layers. Yes, we see our type names, we see our categories on the top, and we see our layers layer by layer scheduled with our thicknesses, with our descriptions by dashes, separated by dashes, and our names. Yeah, and that would be it. Yes, so for this tutorial, of course, we could further customize it, add some additional parameters, and so on and so on. But as I mentioned, more of the information, how the plugin works, how to customize, is in the video about tagging. You will find it in the description. You can grab the trial of the plugin for testing. There is also a link in the description. And if you have any questions, any remarks, please let us know in the comments. I will try to help you try to answer your questions. Thank you very much.